So another application we're running from Caron Engineering on this machine is our AutoComp software. In this case, we're using something very simple for a measuring device, a caliper. The caliper has a Bluetooth connection to the control, and we're going to measure the part and it will automatically compensate the tool offsets. So I'm going to measure this part with a caliper, and you'll see that the screen guides the operator to the dimensions that need to be measured. The operator can take the device and measure in any order because the system automatically decides where the dimensions belong. It puts them in the appropriate area. Once a dimension goes in, you can see the color indicators. Green is good, yellow is good but needed compensation, and red is not a tolerance dimension. So as I'm measuring the part, you can see that all the dimensions are filled in. Once all the dimensions are completed, it is now compensated the machine automatically. It's updated the offsets, and it's tracked all those dimensions historically in time.